welcome back. This is just going to be a quick little video just to go through some of the kit that I purchased at the Bushcraft Show. This year's show was a brilliant affair. I always go with a bit of money to buy a bit of kit. I haven't spent as much as I normally do, which is a good thing, but I still managed to get a few bits, and part of that's linked to the announcement, but we'll get started. So the biggest thing I bought was this little Dutch oven. I do have a bigger one, but I always end up cooking too much when I do things for people, so hopefully this will stop that. And this is a lot lighter than my last one. So that's the first one, the big one. I've bought a couple of UCO pack flat reflectors here, which will go in the kits that I sell, the leather cases for the UCO. So that's to go with those, which are on my Etsy store. And speaking of Etsy store, I have bought, this is only just a brief sort of selection, but of bits of antler, which I will make ferro rod handles from. So I'm looking forward to getting to the workshop and shaping them and rounding them off and setting some lovely big ferro rods in there. And so most of the stuff now is kind of knife related. It just happened that way. I didn't plan it. I just ended up getting a few knife related things. But I bought this Giles Newman carving kit to make a pendant. I don't know if you can see that there. I'm hoping to get onto that soon, make myself a nice little pendant. I've never done anything that small or intricate, so that should be quite fun. A mora knife, floating one, light as anything for when I go canoeing. Just thought it would be good just in case I need to cut anything hurriedly, and it doesn't have a point, which is also really handy. But yeah, that's for my canoeing expeditions when I do them. Another mora knife, this time a splitting knife, and I have used one of these in the past with a loop and hook on the end, and it's really good for guillotining when you're trying to shave off bits when you're carving. I used it when I did a Cooks a Carving course, and I'll put a picture of that up. For those of you that follow me, I built myself a knife a little while ago, so I bought myself a couple more blanks because I fancy doing that a bit more and refining it, maybe using some different wood this time. So again, more projects for me. And some leather oil for all my products that I make because I'm getting low. That was from Ben Orford. And to top it off, I bought a Ben Orford left-handed hook knife or crook knife, so I can actually, when I'm carving, I can go in the other way from the normal way, which is inwards, so I can get the bowl both sides now. And last but not least, this mora knife, which is a companion. It's in stainless steel, and this is actually going to be a prize, but it's part of a raffle.